Hey everybody, Jamie here. Today we're meeting monkeys. After spending a day at Himeji Castle, we travelled over to Kyoto and did all the normal touristy things like the Golden Pavilion and Kiyomizu Dinner. We've already covered these things in different videos when we were there in summer, so you can go check them out here. Though the snow did make them look a little bit different. But this time round, we decided to go check out Arashiyama Park. Okay, so we got like 20 minutes to get to this place before it closes. I don't think we're gonna make it, guys. Where? Hey, there are two! Taxis! Did he tell us to walk?
They said it'd be faster to walk.
The park is up a hill, like a really big hill, so it takes about 45 minutes to hike up there.
Okay, so we made it to the park on time, which is a good thing, but what no one told us is that we have to go on a bit of a hike.
The area has about 120 wild monkeys. Like, that's right, wild monkeys. On top of the mountain, the monkeys run around freely, while there's a little hut for people to go into. I thought the hut was pretty cool. Instead of the monkeys being trapped and, you know, us feeding them and stuff, it was the other way around, so we were like the ones in the cage feeding them outside. The park enforces three main rules. The first rule being don't stare them in the eye. Unless you're looking for a good old-fashioned bar brawl, I don't recommend this. Rule 2. You can't touch the monkeys. They are wild animals and they're not used to human touch, so touching them can lead to stress or aggravation. And rule 3. Don't feed the monkeys outside of the hut. If you want to keep all your fingers, stay inside the hut. We did get there late, so unfortunately we didn't get a whole lot of time there, but we still had a great time. Well, that's it for this video. I think we're doing pretty well with this weekly release thing, aren't we? Yeah, go us! Remember to check out JmeJpn.com and I'll see you next time.